Today I will travel to the top part of Pisac where precise stonework is present. This ancient temple does not have a date of origin as it's been used over the thousands of years, with multiple civilizations occupying it over time. The end of this ancient site was met when the Spanish conquistadors invaded during the 16th century. Before the Spanish conquistadors arrived, Pisac was a thriving Inca settlement that served ceremonial, agricultural, and defensive purposes. Its strategic position in the Sacred Valley allowed the Inca to control key access routes to Cusco, the empire's capital, making Pisac a vital site for both military and religious activities. The Spanish conquest of the Inca Empire began in the early 1530s. By 1533, following the capture and execution of the Inca ruler Atahualpa, the Spanish solidified their dominance over the region. The Sacred Valley, including Pisac, became a critical target due to its fertile lands and proximity to Cusco. As the Spanish extended their control, they faced strong resistance from the local Inca forces. Pisac, with its defensive position overlooking the Urubamba River and fortress-like structures, became a key stronghold for resistance. However, the Inca could not match the superior weaponry and tactics of the Spanish. In 1536, Manco Inca, one of the last notable Inca leaders, led a significant rebellion against the Spanish. He used Pisac and other fortified sites in the Sacred Valley as strongholds, disrupting Spanish control for several years. Despite Pisac's important role in the resistance, Manco Inca's revolt eventually failed, and the Spanish slowly regained control of the region, including this ancient temple in the mountains called Pisac. Pisac is considered by many visitors and locals to be a place of spiritual energy, similar to other Inca sites like Machu Picchu. Some believe that Pisac is located on powerful energy lines or ley lines, which are thought to connect sacred sites around the world. This idea, though not scientifically proven, contributes to Pisac's mystique, attracting those interested in spirituality, healing, and mystical experiences. The site's alignment with natural features, its high elevation, and its sacred history are all factors that fuel these beliefs. Another belief is that this place on top of this mountain belonged to an ancient civilization that specialized in ancient stone masonry. It may have also been created during the time of when the Inca mentions that their ancient ancestors, who were travelers, arrived and built this temple along with many other similar sites throughout the Sacred Valley. What we know is that these monolithic temples are spread across all of Peru and must have been from an organized knowledge of ancient master stonemasonry that was used. Whoever built this ancient site were incredibly precise with every single block that they placed. In the historical record or chronicles called Comentarios Reales de los Incas by Garcilaso de la Vega, provides several descriptions of the impressive stonework of the Inca around Cusco. One of his well-known quotes highlights the precision and craftsmanship of Inca construction. It quotes, "The stones were so well fitted that not even the tip of a pin could fit between them, without any mixture of material to bind them, and so equal and smooth that they seemed to be all of one single stone." Another quote from Garcilaso de la Vega regarding the stones of Cusco and surrounding sites says, "It is a marvel to see the stones, so large and irregular, that are so precisely joined together that they appear as if they were cut with a plumb line, and so well fitted that not even a knife or anything else can enter the joint between the two stones." Another theory suggests that shifting priorities or changes in leadership during the Inca dynasties led to the abandonment of certain areas. But perhaps the most compelling explanation is tied to the civil war between two Inca emperors named Atahualpa and Huáscar. It's believed that Atahualpa's followers may have ransacked Pisac during this turbulent period. Before the Spanish arrived, the Inca were already engaged in fierce internal conflict, and the conquest of rival tribes often left cities like this one in ruins. As I explore this ancient temple, I see remnants of structures scattered throughout Pisac, evidence of a site that feels both incomplete and abandoned. Modern archaeology offers several theories to explain why this place lies in ruins. One possibility is that construction was still underway when the Spanish conquest began, leaving projects unfinished. Many experts believe that much of the temple was reconstructed by the Incas or even by earlier civilizations, suggesting that this site is far older than it appears. The Incas, eager to establish their cultural and spiritual influence, likely built new temples over existing structures, repurposing this ancient complex to fit their own beliefs and traditions. Many experts believe that much of the temple was reconstructed by the Incas or even by earlier civilizations, suggesting that this site is far older than it appears. The Incas, eager to establish their cultural and spiritual influence, likely built new temples over existing structures, repurposing this ancient complex to fit their own beliefs and traditions.
¿Quién hizo todo esto? Que estaba más en armonía con la naturaleza, sabe que el agua era viva, lo necesitaban nosotros para ver toda la comunicación, si tú entubas el agua, como decimos hoy en día, las mojas, están en sus ciudades, sale el ama, el agua.
It's possible the original channel was for this side, after for these roots. But what happened? Look at the stone. Do you remember there is a channel inside? But when the Spain people are right here, broken the whole place because the floor original is not this. Was this one?
Oh,
Only a stone.
wow. They probably lifted stuff up looking for gold or...
Yes, this will all with another element, maybe more. Because after the first part for here, after we will visit another channel, but combined with another thin channel. It's possible for the blood, chicha, or another liquid more special. But first water, the main is this one. You have to combine it with another.
Sí. Oh, yeah, foot in the water.
Cha-cha.